So it's better to take the opportunity to be here right now. I will just look at something that is here, the environment, and sketch some trees, some stones, some moss, and maybe use my fantasy or not, but just to be in this creative flow. I remember when I was doing a lot of oil paintings before, I was sketching a lot and more from reality, so I know that I have to, but I want also to just continue and take up that practice again. So now I'm just making some fast, easy sketches to get the perspective here. The trees closer to me are big, and the trees further away are smaller and thinner, and in that way I am creating some perspective here in my drawing. And for me, it's not the most important thing that it will look good. It's just a sketch. So this can be used for a painting later on, or a better drawing if I want to. And there it's opening up more. See, it's a small road there. We can put that in there.